In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix alignment and responsive scaling issues in the Wix editor. To get started, open your target layout in the Wix editor using Chrome. This is important because Chrome generally offers the most consistent editing experience for Wix, especially when you're making layout adjustments and checking how elements behave across different screen sizes. Once the editor is open, take a moment to scan the page and identify any items that look slightly out of place, uneven, or disconnected from the main structure of the design. The first thing you want to do is make sure your free-floating elements are properly contained. If you have text boxes, images, buttons, or other items sitting loosely on the canvas without a structural parent, drag them into bounding strips or grid cells. This helps Wix understand how those elements should behave when the layout resizes. In other words, instead of allowing those items to drift independently, you're giving them a controlled space to live in. That structure is what keeps your design more stable and predictable on different screen widths. As you move items, pay attention to how they snap into place. A clean structural layout not only improves alignment but also makes future edits much easier. If something seems difficult to position correctly, it's often a sign that it needs to be placed inside a more reliable container. Next, focus on the elements that are showing alignment bugs. Select each one and open the inspector panel. Here, check the sizing settings. If an element is using fixed pixel values, change those units from pixels to percentages wherever appropriate. This is a key step for responsiveness. Pixel-based sizing can lock an element into a rigid width or position, which may look fine on one screen size, but break on another. Percentage-based sizing allows the element to scale more naturally in relation to its container, which usually results in a smoother and more flexible layout. As you make these changes, keep an eye on spacing and proportions. The goal is not just to make things move, but to make them resize in a way that still looks balanced and intentional. Finally, click the mobile view icon at the top of the editor to review the breakpoint scaling properties. This gives you a chance to confirm how the layout behaves on smaller screens. Look for anything that appears too wide, too narrow, misaligned, or oddly stacked. Even a quick mobile check can reveal issues that are easy to miss in desktop view. By structuring elements properly, switching from fixed sizing to relative sizing, and reviewing mobile scaling, you can create a Wix layout that feels much more polished, responsive, and reliable.